Hi guys, today we have Samsung A30 Not Charging. I'm going to put on the charger. There is no sign of charging. Try to remove the charger, put it again and try. Again, no life of charging. Before assembling the device and replace the charging board, I'm going just to clean it with alcohol using this brush or any brush. And then I'm going to try if it works or not. Sometimes dirt or dust causing the charging board not to charging. Put the charger on, again no charging. It's just the screen light on, no charging. Now let's disassemble the phone and replace the charging port. We need to heat the back plastic cover at 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and as you need. You need to be cautioned, there is fingerprint flex cable in the middle of the plastic shield. We don't need to cut that flex cable, so when you put the plastic tool, you need to take care not to push in that way. Seems this device was opened before. It's easy to be removed. If it's the first time, it won't be very easy to be removed, so you need to be patient while you are removing it. Why we are heating the back plastic cover? It's to heat the adhesive so the adhesive can go soft. That will make the job easier. Remove all screws from the frame. Unplug fingerprint flex cable. You can keep it, no need to remove it. Now remove SIM card slot, it's important before proceed. Now just push the frame back. Unplug the battery first, okay. Unplug flex cable connected the sub to the main board. Unplug the antenna wire. Now remove the charging board. It doesn't remove it easy, so I'm going to heat the adhesive under it so I can remove it without any difficulty. See, it's removed easier than before. So we are just going to replace this charging board with another one and try if the phone goes to charging again. If yes, just we will assemble the phone back. Put the charging port in position, connected with the flex cable to the main board, and then we can test. Bring your charger and put the charger on. and see if the phone will be charging now or not. Wait a few seconds. Okay, the phone now start charging. Okay, now we will assemble the phone back. Now return the antenna back, and that's it. All you have to do is to assemble the phone back. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See ya! Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.